Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am starting my Christmas decorating videos. I will be starting with the entryway, so I'm gonna clean it and then I'm gonna start decorating, and of course I'm gonna bring you guys along with that. And yeah, so Christmas makes me so happy and I am so excited to finally start decorating. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
It's cold outside.
So to start off, I went ahead and I wanted to clean the entryway first. I put away our jackets. We tend to collect them on the bench, and I had a few other things to remove from the entryway. So I went ahead and I swept the place just so I could start with a clean slate.
The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this.
So once I was done sweeping, I wanted to go ahead and clean off the console table or entryway table, whatever you want to call it. I actually got this one from Lowe's. My old entryway table was just a little too small for the place and I did not like the color, but I ended up buying the white one, which it just matches everything else around and it looks so much better. So anyways, I went ahead and I used my wet jet, I think it's called a Swiffer wet jet, and I love this thing. It's so easy to use. So yeah, that's what I used on these tiles, and the floors weren't so dirty, so it wasn't too hard.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else.
The other thing that I also changed was the mirror. It was a little too small for the new table, and also the color did not match, so I went ahead and I swapped it with our mirror from the dining room. If you guys remember from my previous videos, I do have a black mirror. I had a black mirror in my dining room, but it's no longer there because I have moved it to the entrance and it looks so much better there.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
So now to the decorating. I started with this garland that I bought from Walmart. It's a little thin and it's pretty long, so I could have doubled it. And yeah, I should have doubled it, not that I think about it. But it was a little tricky to hang, so I think it's because of how thin it was. So I played around with it, as you can see, and yeah, it took some time.
All the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
These little trees that I added are from Dollarama. They're so cute. You can't even tell they're from the dollar store, but they're so beautiful. And this red candle holder is from JYSK here in Canada. I do not know how to pronounce that, and I will not try to pronounce it. I just spell it out. So yeah, if you live in Canada, you can go on their website or in the actual store, and it was pretty cheap. And yeah, these little trees are from the dollar store, and so are the lanterns. As you can see, I've changed already. So I did remember I had these stocking holders that I used from the previous years, and I decided to use them to hang the garland because it was a little tricky to hang because of how thin it was, and I didn't want to tape down anything, so it worked out pretty good. So for my home sign that's in the entryway, I also wanted to add a little Christmas thing to it, make it a little Christmassy. And I got these little branches with the berries and the acorn from Dollarama as well. And as you can see, I struggled cutting the wire. That wire cutter was not the strongest, so I did have to use some force. But the wreath itself, I got it from Value Village. That's a secondhand store here in Canada, and it was in really good shape, so I knew I could add a little flavor to it. So this is how it turned out. I think it's cute. It added a little Christmas theme to it. It was not my biggest DIY, so yeah, my first and definitely not my last. So this is how everything turned out, and I love it.
So I'm gonna leave it here, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this decorate and clean video with me, and I hope you guys liked how I did things, and I will see you guys in my next video where I will be putting up my Christmas tree. Till next time, guys, see ya. Bye.